Today, I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper robot face. Now to start, we need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to get one real quick. I'm going to fold it like that. Make sure it's nice and even, right down to the point, all the way along there. If you're a child, please get an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous. They're sharp. You can cut yourself or injure yourself or someone else. So you're going to fold it like I just showed you. Make sure it's nice and even, and you're going to want to cut all that off, and you'll end up with a square sheet of paper. Now, all right. Okay. All right. So we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to fold it in half the other way. Okay. And you're going to unfold it. Now, you're going to want to take and use that line that you just made and fold it in half like that, nice and even. Same with the top. Now fold it along that line, nice and even. Now you got both of them folded nice and even, right? Top and bottom. Now you're going to take and unfold that bottom flap. Leave this one folded, and we're going to take and line it diagonally cornerways from that corner to that point. And we're going to go up. So up, corner to point. Going to be as even as possible. Oops, that wasn't quite even. No. Right there. That's good enough. And now, same with this other side. And then you're going to flip it around. I'm going to fold it like this. And then you're going to take and fold it and then you're going to want to fold in, going like this. Same with the other side. Fold it in like that. Then turn it over. And draw your face on it. Then you have your robot. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.